In the deep ocean, where sunlight has never reached, there is still light. Not from above, but from the animals themselves. Down there in the dark, the majority of living things make their own light, a glow they create inside their own bodies. Scientists estimate that as many as 3 out of every 4 deep-sea animals can do it. It is called bioluminescence, and in the deep sea, it is not the exception, it is the rule. It is the most common form of communication on the entire planet, happening constantly, in the dark, where almost no human will ever see it. Tonight, we descend into that darkness to meet 10 creatures that glow, and by number 1, you'll see the whole ocean light up. Number 10. The most numerous of them all, the lanternfish. You have almost certainly never seen one, and yet they may be the most abundant vertebrate on the entire planet, their total weight estimated in the billions of tons. Along the underside of their bodies runs a row of tiny light organs called photophores, and they use them in a clever, almost paradoxical way. They glow downward, matching the faint light from the surface above, so that to a predator looking up, their silhouette simply vanishes. They hide from the dark by making light. It's called counter-illumination, and it is one of the deep's oldest tricks. Number 9. The flashlight fish. Beneath each eye, it carries a pouch packed with glowing bacteria, a living headlamp. But the clever part is the lid. The fish can roll a flap of black skin up over the light, switching it off and on at will. It uses this to find food, to signal to others of its kind, and to escape. When a predator closes in, the flashlight fish blinks its lights, darts sideways in the dark, and blinks them on again somewhere else, leaving the hunter snapping at a glow that is no longer there. Number 8. The Cookiecutter shark. Barely the length of your arm, this small shark glows a soft green across almost its entire body, except for a dark band around its throat. And that dark patch is the trick. To a large predator swimming below, that little unglowing collar looks like a small fish, alone in the dark. The hunter rushes up to take the bait, and the Cookiecutter, using its glow as a lure, twists and bites a perfect round plug of flesh straight out of its attacker. It has left its circular scars on whales, sharks, and even submarines. Number 7. The Atolla jellyfish, and it has the most dramatic light show in the sea. Normally, it drifts quietly, but the moment something grabs it, it does something astonishing. It explodes into a spinning pinwheel of brilliant blue light, flashing round and round in the dark. Scientists call it the burglar alarm. The Atolla cannot fight, so instead it screams for help with light. Its flashing is designed to attract an even bigger predator, one that will hopefully attack and eat whatever is attacking the jellyfish. It survives by turning itself into a beacon that calls down something worse. Number 6. The black dragonfish, which broke a rule scientists thought was unbreakable. Almost every glowing creature in the deep makes blue light, because blue travels best through water, and so blue is the only colour most deep-sea eyes can even see. But the dragonfish produces red, and because almost nothing down there can see red, it has effectively given itself a private searchlight, a beam of light invisible to everything around it. It can illuminate and stalk its prey in what is, to that prey, total darkness. It sees them. They never see it coming. Number 5. The vampire squid. We've met it before, drifting in the oxygen-starved dark, but its light is something special. It has no ink, because ink is useless where there is no light to hide in. So instead, when threatened, the vampire squid ejects a glowing cloud, a sticky burst of bioluminescent mucus full of tiny glowing orbs that hangs in the water, dazzling and confusing a predator, while the squid quietly slips away into the black. It fights light with light. Number 4. The Firefly squid, and this one you can actually see. Each spring in Toyama Bay in Japan, billions of these small squid rise toward the surface to spawn, and their bodies are covered in photophores that glow a deep electric blue. When they gather in their billions, they turn the water itself into light, entire waves shimmering blue in the night, the shoreline glowing as if the sea has caught fire. It is one of the only times the deep's hidden light show rises up to where we can witness it. Number 3. The anglerfish, the most famous glow in the ocean and the most sinister. From a long spine above its head dangles a single glowing lure, lit by colonies of bacteria living inside it. In the total black of the deep, that gentle little light is the only thing to see. And that is exactly the point. Anything drawn toward it, hoping for food or company, swims straight into a mouthful of needle teeth. The anglerfish doesn't hunt. It fishes with a living lantern in the dark. Number 2. The Siphonophore. This one barely seems real. It is not a single animal, but a colony of thousands of tiny clones, living and working together as one long, drifting body. And some of them can grow longer than a blue whale, making them among the longest living things on Earth. Many siphonophores glow, and some use a stunning trick. They dangle glowing red lures that twitch and flicker exactly like a small fish, drawing prey in toward a curtain of stinging tentacles. A glowing chain, kilometers down, fishing in the dark with light of its own. And number 1. Because the deep doesn't just contain points of light, sometimes the ocean itself ignites. The smallest glowing organisms of all are dinoflagellates, microscopic plankton that flash bright blue when the water around them moves. Gather them in their countless billions, and the results are staggering. Waves that glow electric blue as they break, footprints of light on a midnight beach, and rarest of all, the Milky Sea. A phenomenon where thousands of square kilometers of open ocean glow with a steady, ghostly light, so vast and so bright that it has been seen from satellites in space. An entire ocean glowing in the dark, from the deck of a passing ship all the way up to orbit. That is the secret of the deep. It is not a place of pure darkness. It is a place of living light, of lures and alarms, of headlamps and decoys, of an entire hidden language spoken in glow every second of every day, in the largest and least seen habitat on Earth. We just almost never get to read it. If you want to keep descending with us into the deep, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next dive.